Google Bard is an AI chatbot that is similar to Chat GPT. Both offer AI-powered features, but Google Bard is more likely to be integrated into the Google search engine. Bard AI more user-friendly, on the other hand, need more technical knowledge to operate Chat GPT. Bard has a 90% accuracy for understanding the context of a conversational and responding appropriately compared to the other chatbots. LaMDA, the advanced language model for dialogue applications, is the technology behind Bard, an experimental conversational AI service. LaMDA is a powerful language model that can understand the nuances and complexities of human language and generate responses that are contextually relevant and coherent. Bard AI leverages LaMDA's capabilities to generate high-quality responses to user inputs. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Using Google Bard, people can quickly access summaries and other content related to topics such as search engine optimization, content marketing, text-to-video AI, and more. Bard AI is limited to trusted testers at the moment. It has been said that AI-powered features will be coming to Google Search soon, so it is likely that Bard will become more widespread in the near future.